njoba namhlanje sikwaMakhutha sesithole abantu asesine-show ngabo abawu-500 nangaphezulu. Sesiyabona ukuthi lento esiyenzayo abantu bayithandile bayamukelile. Sekuqhamuke namanye ama-corporates afisa ukusijoyina.
There's 2,000 really, really passionate people. They're passionate about South Africa, they're passionate about the youth, they're passionate about what they do, and they're really, really passionate about our clients. And that is key, or a key starting point, but that's not everything.
Abantu abezayo iningi labo bafuna imisebenzi, kodwa bese sibaqalisa edeskini. Sithi sicela ukunitraina nibe qualified, nithole futhi ama-qualifications azo-recognize usakho.
Oh mama, njengemgogodla yemndeni esikukhuthazayo sithi labo mama bemdoko, labo 100 rand ababashayayo uma kushoniwe lapho ababashaye inyanga zonke babuyisele kwa clientele, ngoba sesibaproposele i-funeral scheme suitable. Ngikhona ngimele omama ka clientele abahlangane nomama babeke okuncane kuma investment, kuma funeral, na kukhona nama legal advisors ku clientele. Sikuphethe konke osekuzobheka ngo culture yethu emnyama. That's why sibafuna ngama co-op.
This is the partnerships further than just insurance clientele, okay? We need to find a balance in corporate in saying, you within the community need to be enabled, you need to be empowered,